Hello Kabalay, another day, another real estate video. Kabalay GM Balog here, a licensed real estate professional in the Philippines. So Kabalay, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating property of the day na Cat Team Place 5 to give you our projects and construction updates. So Kabalay, itong ating community sa Cat Team Place 5. So mapapansin nyo Kabalay, may mga RFO units na tayo dito. And this one, no, meron tayo ditong end units, corner units, and inner units. If you're looking for ready for occupancy, lipat agad. Meron po tayo dito mga available na ready for occupancy. Kung di ka naman nagmamadali, may mga ongoing construction tayo and pre-selling units. Mga Kabalay, kagandahan dito sa RFO units natin, pwede ka na agad makalipat this year or you can have a 6 months, avail our 6 months DP terms. Kung ikaw naman ay hindi nagmamadali, mga Kabalay, we have ongoing construction na 12 months down payment terms. Kung gusto mo naman na mas mahaba-haba, you can avail our pre-selling unit. 18 months DP terms to 24 DP terms. Yan mga Kabalay. So ito yung example ng mga units natin. This is the model number 1. Yan, meron tayo sa model number 1 mga Kabalay na sa ating front yard. Sa balcony natin, owning window. Samantalang ating model number 2 is state po ang ating front or facade ng property. Wala po siyang owning window. Plain na po siya na glass. So yun mga Kabalay, if you wanted to see the units that we have here at Cat Team Place 5, just comment down below for me to send you the computation as well as to book for house viewing. Again, this is your Kabalay GM Balog. As always, choose your lifestyle, choose your home, choose Kabalay. Thanks for watching mga Kabalay. Have a great day ahead.